Hi there, this is Shaheen. In this video, I'd show you how to create this type of cool sticky card using Elementor completely free. So as you can see here, when I'm scrolling down, the second section is overlapping the first one, the third one is overlapping number 2, and fourth one is overlapping number 3. How cool is that? So let's dive in. So let's create a section here, layout to VH and 100, so that is cover entire screen, and justify content to center, and I would add inner container, drag and drop, and select the container from layout VH50 and go to style. I want background color to orange and border to 10 pixel, and I want box shadow as well, spare, so add box shadow. And inside this container, I want 2 columns, so I drag a container and duplicate it. I want them to as column, not one under another. So I'd select the primary one, and from layout to direction, I'd make it horizontal. Right? So select the parent one. I want some padding, square 10, and then on top I want 30, bottom 30. The left hand side, I would my desired text heading, drag and drop container, and I want a button as well. Drag and drop the button. The right hand side, I would add an image. Select the image you'd like to add. I want them to align, item, center, everything. So I'd select the primary container from layout to align, item, center. So now change the text as you want. So in this case, I'm changing the text, and I would be quickly back after changing the text. So I added my text. I would customize it now. Go to style, and I'd go with Poppins is good for me, but I'd go with Georgia. And from here, 45, and line height to 55. Okay. The text color, I'd go with completely white, and for text from color to white, and some customization for the button, bouquet, call, get a style from Poppins to Arial 15, and weight to 500, line height to 25. Now in some border radius square, put 5 pixel, and from hover, the button hover animation, currently as you can see nothing. I want a hover animation when you hover over on the button, so it's something like that. I want the text color to orange, and not in hover, and the normal text color to orange, and background color to white. Okay, now my card is ready. I want it few more times to make that sticky section, and duplicate the parent container couple of times. So for tutorial purpose, I didn't change image and text. I just duplicated a couple of times the parent one to make that sticky section. So now it's time to make them sticky. So let's select the primary container, the first one, go to advanced, and from advanced, motion effect to sticky top and sticky offset 50. And for second container, as you can see, as I'm using that index for my other section as well, so I would utilize navigator to simply find out my containers. So this is the first container, second container I selected. I'd go to advanced, and from here, as I said, I'm using Z index value for my other section as well. So I'd put 100. So black one is coming above the orange one, the second one basically. So I'd put here, rename it to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for number 2, container from advanced, that index value 100, okay, motion effect top and offset 100. The third container, select advanced, go to give it a Z index value to 120, and then motion effect to sticky top, offset 150. And the container, select it to advanced from motion effect to top and sticky offset to 200. I forget to give Z index value, so I gave it 100, Z index value to 130. So as you can see, the section is sticky but for entire screen, but I want them to sticky only for this specific section. So I'd select the first container and I'd go to advanced from motion effect to sticky in column. I turn it on. The second section, motion effect to column. I'll do this for all the section. Third one, scroll down, motion effect to. So now if I minimize the navigator and if I scroll down, see how does it look? As you can see here on the bottom, I have no space. So I'd give some space with margin, selecting my primary parent, selecting my section, the parent section, advanced, and I'd put bottom 120. Now, if I minimize it, how cool is that? If you want such a nice website for your business, contact me. I'd help you to create modern, responsive, and user-friendly site that not only drive traffic, but it will help you to convert traffic into a loyal customer. Thank you very much for watching.